Along the waters at Lake Brownwood, a special weekend is beginning to take place.
Oh, fantastic.
These smiling faces are arriving at the 30th year of becoming an outdoor woman.
Oh, y'all are gonna be my teachers. Awesome.
This weekend is a gathering of 120 to 150 women, like-minded women that love the outdoors, that are willing to experience different things.
What makes this anniversary unique is that BOW started here at Lake Brownwood in a distant era, the 1990s.
As we said, these little shotgun shells are full of BBs.
If it looks like something's missing here, you're right. There's talk of guns and hunting, but there aren't any men around.
Thankfully, times and attitudes have changed since those early years, but the mission is still the same.
This is your drawstring. This is your grip.
Meet Christina.
Right now, we're so excited. We got beginner's archery.
Follow your foot like almost in the middle.
This is her first time using a bow and arrow.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so embarrassing because I'm not gonna be able to hit anything. Okay. Too high. At one point, I thought I was dead center and it went shoo, sailing way over the target.
Luckily, Christina catches on pretty quickly.
Yes! I'm ready, I'm going now. Coming to bow has been great because they've got this laundry list of activities that I haven't even tried yet. Got it on the first shot! You going down the left sword. And it just opened my eyes to new opportunities, and it sparked that interest and that enthusiasm. It being just a man's world, not this day and age, sister.
We try to give a lot of good experiences like having a campfire and a s'more. When they come to BOW, this is the first time they've ever had a s'more.
Guys just get exposed to it. They like encourage.
So those are the things that really make these weekends special.
Oh, it's so sad.
And the whole mission is to introduce basic outdoor skills in a variety of class choices. And they're 3.5-hour sessions. So this program has grown over the years to where we are today. We now offer here, at least in Texas, we offer about 50 different workshop activities, and the ladies get to choose only 4.
That's okay. Well, no, it's okay. You eventually want to lay down, but it's a stop, a stop, and then a lay down.
Hunting and fishing, more hunting though and shooting, were probably traditionally male-dominated sports because of the traditional roles of women and men in families.
But family roles are changing.
When you hook the mom, when you hook the lady of the family, you hook the entire family. When they understand the value of that, they're going to take that back home.
I think my husband's going to be so happy. Yeah.
Being at BOW means soaking up the outdoors all the time, rain or shine.
Our current situation at Bow right now is we've got rain, we've got intermittent lightning, but we got a whole lot of enthusiasm.
Can't hit the rock mojo.
And more importantly, we've got Jimmy, who's going to teach us how to execute a shotgun.
Head down, face forward.
Pull.
I told you just go up to it and pull the trigger. Didn't I?
If I would give it 2 words to describe how I feel wrapping up the bow weekend, I'd say exhilarated and confident. Yeah. Oh, yeah! I got it! Yeah! Oh, You didn't tell me I was ready.
That's it, I'm leaving.
As I started off thinking, oh, I don't think I can shoot a shotgun. I don't think I can do this. And I'm just excited because I was able to accomplish so much. So I'm very proud of myself. Annie, get your gun.
Get it.
I feel like, the sky literally is the limit, whether it's learning about how to identify birds or how to geocache or how to hold the firearms. There's something for everybody.
Christina has become quite the outdoors woman since the BOW weekend. She fished for the first time, became a Texas master naturalist, owns her own shotgun. Becoming an outdoor woman transforms from the inside out.
We're at Viking Archery in Canyon Lake. Since April, I've been coming here. It's been great for my posture and my upper body strength. Good for my core too. Really been enjoying it. It's a nice place for me to come and get away and just relax.
After several months of archery practice, Christina has found more self-confidence and peace in her life.
You could tell?
When she first started, she was all over the place. She got stronger and started shooting her arrows and started hitting more close to the center.
Coming to bow has been great because it just opened my eyes to new opportunities and it sparked that interest and that enthusiasm, and you basically get to reinvent your life. It just brings peace to your heart, peace to your mind. Breathing the fresh air, being around the trees and nature helps you get reconnected with the important things in life.